So I want to start out the video saying November 27th, my checkings account got fraud. Somebody hacked into it and it was a mess. Long story short, a lot of money was taken from my account and we have to investigate about that situation, and it sucks because it's still pending to this day. So I wasn't able to order car parts for my car. So I'm going to, today do a video for you guys because I can. In the meantime, because I gotta wait on my funds to come back, and it's sad. It's around Christmas time, so make sure you guys stay on your guys' account. Check on it all the time because you never know. One day it'll be okay, the next day all your money is gone, and that sucks. So that happened to me. Make sure it don't happen to you guys. So let's get back to the video. So briefly, I want to show you guys what I did yesterday. My camera, my GoPro wasn't acting right. So what I did, I repainted the window cowl, this piece right here, and also all the wipers, both of them. They was like very nasty. I left it outside for a little bit, so it's a little dirty, but it can be clean. But yeah, that's what I did yesterday. That's the video I wanted to do. I had to take it off, repaint both of them, and put everything back together. And guess what? Like I said, my GoPro wasn't working. It was weird. Today is a whole different video. As you guys see, the front bumper is off because I'm going to get my headlights redone. I'm gonna show you guys that in a minute. So to take the front bumper off, there's clips over here on top of the bumper. You take those clips off, and then right here on the side, right here, I'll show you where this go on the car, and it's easy to take off. And there's a screw on both ends right here on both sides. That area on the corner, that's what I was talking about. It just pops off right here. It just push it out on both ends. And then here in the bottom, 1, 2, 3, these little 3 connectors right here. Took me like 2 minutes, pretty much. The point of today's video, I'm going to take the headlights off. I'm going to send it to this guy here. Like I said, I live here in Georgia. He coming to pick it up tomorrow. So this is the other headlight, and sooner or later I'm going to repaint the whole car. So that's why I want to get everything fresh. I was going to get some aftermarket headlights, but I had decided to keep with the OEM because So I took the first one out. I had to take these 2 screws right here for the radiator supporter. As you guys see, I got big packages that just came in. But this right here is not for car. It's for my daughter Alina. This is like a big swing set for her. And one day I gotta put it together before Christmas in the backyard. So now I'm going to try to get this other one right here. Should be the same process, easy. So I'm glad that it's not that hard. One out, and I'm very excited because, man, look how nasty it looks. I think, yeah, the camera is picking this up. so you can see. Like I said, I'm going to get professionally done, and it's going to come with like a 5-year warranty. Definitely not sure if I'm going to keep the car that long, but you know, I definitely going to get them cleaned up while I own the car, so it can be like so fresh and so clean. My daughter's swing set away because that's like, it's so heavy. I gotta push it inside the garage. I gotta put the car back a little bit more because I can't close the garage right now. So I gotta do all that. I'm gonna clean everything up, and like I say, I'm waiting for the guy to come tomorrow and pick those up and take it to his shop and make them brand new again. And after that, after he brings it back, and I'm gonna put everything back on the car and make sure you guys see that process too, and definitely show you guys how brand new looking it's gonna be, because right now it's so nasty and it's like, so at nighttime too, I can't even see out of these. It's like it's like so hard to see, and I know once it's brand new looking again, it is gonna be really good. So I can't wait for that. I can't wait. So for that being said, thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.